Like you run out, guys, like new sundown. Wow, we're on. Yeah, can you? All right. Yeah, hi everyone. How you doing? How you feeling? Okay? Yeah, and hope you're having a great day. You guys might be wondering why your data drains fast each time you connect your phone to your PC. Well, don't worry, JTech Bell is here to help you out on how to resolve that by taking you through on how to disable your Windows from updating. And how are we going to do this? Now, right now, you're gonna press your window R key. What do I mean by window R key? That is this window key and R together. So once you press, it's gonna bring this out. Then you type this in: services.mlc, services.mlc. Then you click on OK. So after you've done that, these are the programs running on your Windows. So all we just have to do is locate Windows Update right here. Then you click on Windows W on your keyboard. Then this is the Windows Update right here. Then you right click on it. Then click on Properties. Then you click on it. Now this is it right here. Then startup type, you gotta click on Disable. Then you stop the service. After doing that, then you click on Apply. Then you click on OK. So as you can see here, Windows Update, which is no longer running and it is disabled. So you off your PC from running an underground update while draining your data. I think I've helped you to resolve the issue of data draining when you connect your phone to your PC. Please do click like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos, and tell a friend to tell a friend how JTech Berry video has helped you. We are your #1 tech go-to guide. Thank you.